Tailscale versus Netbird versus Twingate. In today's video, we are going to learn a comparison between Twingate, Netbird and Twingate. So let's get started. So the first thing is Tailscale, Netbird and Twingate are all VPN alternative designed for secure remote access. They each have their own strengths and weaknesses. So let's compare them based on performance, security, ease of use and pricing. Let's talk about performance. Netbird offers the fastest speed since it prioritizes peer-to-peer connection by default. Then we have Tailscale, and what Tailscale do? It is fast but can slow down when using the relays, while Twingate is slightly slower due to its security layers. Now moving on to the security overhead, Twingate is most secure because it fully implements zero trust access control. Tailscale has strong security but is only partially zero trust, while Netbird focuses more on privacy and self-hosting rather than zero trust security. Let's look at ease of setup. Tailscale is the easiest to set up with its one-click installation and automation details. Then Netbird requires some manual setup, and Twing is the most complex as it is built for enterprise teams. Talking about pricing, Netbird is the best value since self-hosting is completely free. Tailscale is great for small teams with a free plan, while Twingate is more expensive and mostly suited for large enterprises. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.